preparation and the posting of your entries in the general ledger. So, kanina tapos na natin yung cash in bank. So, ngayon, ang pupuntahan naman natin is yung cash on hand. So, what are the transactions that transpired affecting your cash on hand? Una, nung January 15, so, January 15, nagkaroon tayo ng collection. Nagkaroon tayo ng collection na 18,000 pesos. So, galing ito sa General Journal, page 1. And then, kinabukasan, January 16, diniposit natin yung 18,000 sa bank. So, deposit 18,000 pesos, General Journal 1. So, nag-deposit tayo, yung kinolekta natin, diniposit natin. But then later on, again, nung January 28, may advance collection tayo. Advance collection na magkano? 12,000. So, we have an advance collection of 12,000. So far, ito yung mga transactions that affects our cash on hand. So, magkano yung total? Here, we have a total balance of 30,000 pesos. And then, we have 18,000 pesos. So, sabi ko kanina, yung balances, pagbabanggayin natin, 30,000 and then 18,000. Magbabanggayan, our account balance is 12,000 pesos at the end of the month. So, ito yung malalagay sa ledger, sa trial balance at sa financial statements. Ang mag-a-appear na balance ng cash on hand natin is 12,000 pesos. Another thing, accounts receivable. Next thing, accounts receivable. So, kailan tayo nagkaroon ng accounts receivable? Nung January 26, may services rendered on account tayo. May services rendered on account tayo na amounting to 20,000 pesos. So, 20,000 pesos. So far, since wala nang ibang amount na nakaka-affect sa accounts receivable natin, pwedeng ito na yung final na balance. So, 20,000 pesos. 12,000, 20,000 pesos. Kanina yung cash in bank natin, 107,000 pesos. Now, we go to the liabilities portion. For our liabilities, one of the liabilities that we have is your unearned service income. Noong January 28, nagkaroon tayo ng advance collection worth 12,000 pesos. So far, hindi pa natin na-render yung service o kaya hindi naman ito nadadagdagan. Kaya, ito na din yung final na account balance natin. Don't forget that in accounting, yung final answers or yung final amounts, we always double rule. Double rule, ibig sabihin, dalawang linya. Maalala ko lang nung first year college kami, may isa kaming instructor, kapag hindi straight yan, mali, kahit tama yung sagot mo. 5 or 0 yung pagpo-point niya, kung nagkamali lang yung double rule namin or kung hindi lang siya pantay, ganyan. Kung ganito ay hindi siya straight, 0, kahit tama yung sagot. But anyway, I will not be strict on that. Basta naka-double rule lang lagi yung mga final amounts natin. And then, SSS payable natin. We have an SSS payable of nung January 30. May SSS payable payable tayo na 200 pesos. Hindi rin nagalaw yan. So, i-double rule na natin. And then, withholding tax payable noong January 30. Still part of your salaries. Ilagay na lang natin withholding tax. We have 600 pesos. So, may balance tayo na 600 pesos. Now, yung Miriam capital natin, noong January 2, January 2, may initial investment si Miriam na 100,000 pesos. But, for the capital, iiwan muna natin na ganito. Bakit? Because there will be adjustments later on. May adjustment, kung maalala ninyo yung napag-aralan natin dati, yung net income, papasok sa capital. It will also affect your ledger. Kaya i-leave muna natin siya na ganyan. Hindi pa siya final kasi from the statement of comprehensive income, makukuha natin kung magkano yung amount ng income natin, yun ang ilalagay natin dito. And then, account 501, service income. Kailan tayo nagkaroon ng service income? So, nagkaroon tayo ng cash collection noong January 15. Nagkaroon tayo ng cash collection noong January 15 ng nakalimutan na natin ilagay yung posting reference natin. So, nagkaroon tayo ng collection of 18,000 pesos. And then, next is noong January 26, may services rendered tayo on account. So, may services rendered tayo on account na 20,000 pesos. But we will leave it like this because kung maalala ninyo yung discussion din natin noon, there are two kinds of accounts, right? The real account and the nominal account. The real account are your asset, liabilities, and capital. And then your nominal account is your income and then expense or revenue and expense. Kung maalala ninyo yung nasabi natin ng discussion before, nominal account balances at the end of the accounting period will always be equal to 0. Magkakaroon tayo ng closing entries later on, and then yung services income natin, lahat ng income natin, lahat ng expenses natin, at the end of the accounting period, ang balance niya is 0. Magiging 0. Bakit? Yung summary ng income mo and expenses mo, papasok siya sa capital. So, magiging 0 na siya. Yan ang lagi ninyong tandaan. At the end of the accounting period, kung kailan kayo nire-require na mag-prepare ng statement or financial statements, kung kailan kayo nire-require na i-prepare yung mga yon, the balances of your general ledger in your income and expenses must always be equal to 0. Kasi ipopost nyo later on yung closing entry. And one thing more, the summary of all the transactions that affects your income and then your expenses will be close to your capital account. So, ililive muna natin siya na ganyan. Kasi later on, kung madidiscuss natin yung closing entry, may ipopost pa tayo sa service income. And then next, permits and registration fees. So, kailan tayo nagkaroon ng permit and registration fee? No January 10. Noong January 10, nagbayad tayo ng permits na 6,000 pesos. And then, January 12, registration sa BIR na 1,000 pesos. And then again, yung kagaya ng sabi ko kanina, i-leave muna natin ito. Hindi muna natin ipa-final yung balance because at the end of the accounting period, mag-zero yan. May kailangan pa tayong i-post sa general ledger. So, hindi pa tayo tapos. And then, for your bank service charge, kailan tayo naka-receive ng bank service charge? So, bank service charge. ₱400. Since expense again yan, i-leave natin na ganito. So, since expense, we are going to leave it as that. This happened in January 25. And then taxes and licenses. Taxes and licenses, nung January 20, paid taxes, we have General Journal 1, 1,200 pesos. 1,200 pesos. Next, account number 204. Ano ba yung ibang expenses natin aside from your taxes and licenses? We also have utilities expenses. Okay, so we have utilities expenses. Kailan tayo nagkaroon ng utilities expenses natin? Noong January 30. Noong January 30, nagbayad tayo ng expenses natin for electricity na 2,000 pesos. And then, we have account number 205, your SSS premium. So for our SSS premium, nagkaroon tayo ng premium noong January 30. Item, SSS of employee. General Journal 0. General Journal 1. Debit 200 pesos. So 200 pesos. And then lastly, account number 206, you have your withholding tax, and then that transpired on January 30. Okay, so on January 30, may withholding tax tayo na 600 pesos. Ayun, so temporarily, we are going to, after this one, after the ledger, na hindi pa siya naka-close, hindi pa naka-close yung nominal accounts natin, we are going to prepare an adjusted trial balance. Sa unadjusted trial balance natin, mag-a-appear dyan ang income, mag-a-appear ang expenses. Sa adjusted trial balance natin, wala nang mag-a-appear na nominal accounts. Both your expense and income. Kasi lahat, sabi ko, papasok dito kay Miriam Capital. Ayun. So, that is how it is for now. So, for the sake of your unadjusted trial balance, ang mga mag-a-appear na balance ng expenses ninyo is itong mga hindi na close. 600 pesos for withholding tax, 200 pesos for SSS premium, and then, sorry, we forgot. This is 206, this is 207. Account number 205, that is your salaries expense. So, January 30, salary paid to employee. General Journal 1, that is 400 pesos. Yon. So, itong mga balances natin, ito muna yung mag-appear sa unadjusted trial balance. And then, after unadjusted trial balance, we are going to prepare adjusting entry and then closing entries. Doon na mag-e-effect yung sinasabi ko kanina na yung balance ng expenses natin and income natin is equal to 0.